what volume in liters of a 0.25 molar calcium hydroxide solution can be made using 0.55 moles of calcium hydroxide. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is look at what we were given. We were given 0.55 moles of calcium hydroxide. We were also given a 0.25 molar calcium hydroxide solution. Anytime I see a concentration unit, the first thing I'm going to do is to dissociate that concentration unit into its components, so that 0.25 molar calcium hydroxide becomes 0.25 moles of calcium hydroxide per 1 liter of solution. By separating out the concentration unit into its components, you can see that the concentration unit consists of two different units, a volume and an amount, whereas the 0.55 mole calcium hydroxide consists of only one type of unit. When you are performing a mathematical calculation of stoichiometry, one of the things you should always look for is a value that has a single unit associated with it. So we're going to convert that moles of calcium hydroxide into volume of calcium hydroxide solution. Now, since we're starting with the 0.55 moles of calcium hydroxide, we now need to use a conversion factor that will allow us to go between moles and liters. Anytime you want to go between moles and liters, the best conversion factor is going to be that of molarity. And so we're going to look to our molarity as our conversion factor. We want to get rid of moles of calcium hydroxide, so we need to divide by moles of calcium hydroxide. To be able to do that, we're going to need to flip our molarity and place the calcium hydroxide moles into the denominator and the volume of solution in the numerator. The moles of calcium hydroxide cancel and you're left with volume of solution. So you're ready to perform the math. And the answer comes out to be 2.2 liters of solution. Now you should always check your sig figs. This is multiplication and division, and according to the multiplication and division, the answer should have the same number of significant digits as the measurement with the fewest. 0.55 moles has 2 significant digits. The 1 liter of solution from the molarity is an exact number with an unlimited number of significant digits. The 0.25 moles of calcium hydroxide from the concentration has 2 significant digits. So we have 2 significant digits times the unlimited number of significant digits divided by 2 significant digits. Since the measurement with the fewest has 2 significant digits, that means our answer should have only 2 significant digits, and so we would record it as 2.2 liters of solution.